Are you curious about binary forex trading? Want to know how you can speculate on currency pairs and potentially make a profit? Well, you come to the right place. In this video, we'll unlock the secrets of binary forex trading and show you how it can be a game changer for your financial future. Let's get started. Remember to watch the entire video. We also have several videos on the channel that we know you will surely enjoy. So watch them after watching this video. For everything else, free forex courses, free forex robots, free indicators, and the broker that I use personally, see the links in the description box below. Binary forex trading, also known as binary options trading, is a fascinating way to trade various assets, from currency pairs to stocks and commodities. But what exactly is it? At its core, binary forex trading revolves around predicting the direction of an asset's price movement within a specific time frame. As the name suggests, there are only two outcomes to a trade. You either win or lose. It's that simple. Let's say you believe the price of a particular currency pair will rise within the next hour. You place a call option, expressing your prediction. Conversely, if you think the price will fall, you'd opt for a put option. Once you've made your decision, you'll select the expiry time, which determines when the trade will close. It can be as short as 30 seconds or extend to several months, depending on your strategy and preference. Now, here's the exciting part. If your prediction turns out to be correct when the trade expires, you'll receive a fixed payout. This payout typically ranges from 70% to 90% of your initial investment. It's like know your prize before you even play the game. Binary forex trading has become a popular choice among traders, and for good reason. First, it's relatively straightforward to grasp, making it an excellent starting point for beginners. Second, the fixed payouts mean you know your potential profits or losses upfront, reducing uncertainty and anxiety. Furthermore, binary options trading offers a diverse range of assets to trade. Beyond forex pairs, you can explore commodities, stocks, and indices, giving you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of binary forex trading. Remember, while it may seem simple, like any form of trading, it carries risks. Always do your due diligence, choose a reputable broker, and manage your risk effectively. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about trading strategies, risk management, and market insights, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Happy trading! Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed and trade wisely.